Hello everyone, today we will make another game using the random library again. So it's a classic rock paper scissors that everyone knows how to play. So let me show you how it works. First it asks that we want to quit or we want a rock, paper or scissors. So I want a rock. Oh, it's a tie. Let's try again. This time the computer chose scissors. So he won. Now let's try again. I want a rock this time. This time I win because the computer chose scissors. And if you want to quit the program, just write Q and enter. You can also write a capital Q. So now let me explain you how this works. First, we will import the random library as always. Then we will make a list named choices and we will enter rock, paper or scissors. Then we will take input from the player in the variable player that he wants a rock, paper, scissors or he or she wants to quit. Here I have used this dot strip function. This helps us to remove the spaces from the words. For example, if someone writes rock and then space, so it will show an error because we have written only rock, not rock and space. So the strip functions help us to cut the spaces and take only the letter value. And we will take input from the input function. Then while the answer of the player is not Q, this means not the player equal to player.lower. The dot lower function helps us to turn the whole sentence or word into lowercase. For example, if I had written rock in uppercase, so it would not be able to understand it and show an error. But this helps us to make it in lowercase and then it can process the information. Then from the random library, we will choose the function choice, which tells the computer to make a choice from the written list, and the list in our case is choices only, and we will store it in a variable named computer. Then I want to show the player that what he chose and what the computer chose. So it will write you chose, then plus player. You can also use the commas instead of plus sign, and then the computer chose and then the value of computer, and then full stop here in this quotes. Then if the value of player and computer are equal, so it's a tie. Then we will use the elif function to check more conditions, and then if computer has chosen scissor and you have chosen a rock, then you win because rocks beat scissors, or else the computer wins because computer would have chosen rock and you would have chosen a scissor. Elif, if you do not choose rock or scissor, if computer chose rock and you choose the paper, you win again because paper cup beats the rock, else computer wins. And then we will use another elif and check if the player has chosen scissors and the computer has chosen paper, so you will win, or else the computer wins because if you do not win and it's not a tie, the computer wins. If you write P or any other word that is not in this list, it will show I think there's some kind of error. Then we will ask again that player input, do you want a rock, paper, scissors or you want to quit. The while loop is also known as the game loop. We'll run it till the player presses quit. So let's run it again. 1 minute. I'm writing rock in capital now. It still shows rock because we have used the dot lower function. So I chose a rock and computer chose scissors, so I won. Let's try again. This time I will choose paper. This time the computer won again. Then I want a rock. This time I won. Now scissors. The computer won this time. And see, if I write game or any other word, it will show I think there's some sort of error. So now I want to quit, so I will write Q and press enter. So the program exits itself. So bye for now, wait till my next video and play with this program as much as you want. Bye.